No.
I feel like we took plenty of time on all vehicles and we made a few stops.
Yep.
We might say next time, even if Tim and Dana want to come join us for this last little bit.
Right.
Because I think they could do everything we just did today.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know, and just meet up somewhere.
Right. Well, this would be really cool. And if they just had day packs, you know?
Yeah. They could still camp with us. I mean, if they did like this, just do the last 2 days with us.
Yeah. Burles Ford and...
I actually don't mind the 4.5 day pace. I know those first couple days are brutal, but
I'd really like to add a day.
you think?
Yeah. I mean, I think you'll get some people out there that would hate it and bounce out and be bitter. Not bitter, but just not a good experience for them.
Yeah.
I would rather do at least the 5 and close out on, or just add a day. And man,
That would make a difference.
it would make an enormous difference. The first day wouldn't be that big a deal. I wonder if this is Sims. I think that's Sims. Yeah.
No idea.
No big deal. No, no. I've done it twice now at 4.5. Last time we did it, it was a straight up 4, because it was straight up 4 we did it last time.
4 days? Oh.
4 days, because we started at 10 and we finished at 10 on Monday.
10 p.m.
AM.
And you started on Friday? Friday?
No, Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, okay, I guess 4.5. But 4 and 3 hours.
But you carving out those first 4 hours of the day is brutal.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm going to say it again. I think the secret sauce is just going early.
I agree.
Getting up at 5 and going. I don't think we've been out later than like 6:20, maybe 6:30 any of the days.
Yeah, being early is nice.